Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is dark energy. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, an international team of researchers made the first direct detection of dark energy. The experiment named Xenon 1T is the world's most sensitive dark matter experiment and was operated deep underground at the INFN laboratory Nazionale del Gran Sasso in Italy. Dark energy is the mysterious form of energy that makes up about 68% of the universe and has intrigued physicists and astronomers for decades. Now let's discuss about dark energy. Dark energy is a mysterious form of energy making up about 68% of the universe. 27% of the universe is made up of dark matter, while planets, moons, and massive galaxies make up only 5% of the universe. Dark matter attracts and holds galaxies together. On the other hand, dark energy repels and causes the expansion of the universe. This energy has intrigued physicists as well as astronomers for decades. Researchers noticed some unexpected results in an underground experiment and noted that dark energy may be responsible for it. Now let's understand the possible explanations of dark energy. Property of space. Albert Einstein was the first person to realize that empty space is not nothing. One version of Einstein's gravity theory, the version that contains a cosmological constant, implies that empty space can possess its own energy. Because this energy is a property of space itself, it would not be diluted as space expands. As more space comes into existence, more of this energy of space would appear. As a result, this form of energy would cause the universe to expand faster and faster. Next is quantum theory of matter. Another explanation of how space acquires energy comes from the quantum theory of matter. In this theory, empty space is actually full of temporary or virtual particles that continually form and then disappear. Next is fifth fundamental force. There are 4 fundamental forces in the universe, and speculative theories have proposed a fifth force, something that can't be explained by the 4 forces. To hide or screen this fifth force, many models for dark energy use special mechanisms. Some theorists have named this quintessence after the fifth element of Greek philosophers. However, none of the theories have been proved. Due to this, dark energy has been noted as the most profound mystery in all of science. Now moving on to the prelims-based question. The Xenon 1T experiment recently in the news is associated with which of the following? A. World's most sensitive dark matter experiment. B. Largest and most advanced nuclear fusion experiment. C. Chinese experiment to bring back lunar rocks. Or D. None of the above. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.